As a localization manager, your role is a bit all over the place, and your job is to oversee the entire process and make sure things get reviewed and that they are completed. This role has more access and permission than other roles. As a localization manager, this is the view you will be met with. You have your projects to the left, and to the right you have all the grids that you can access. We have two major grids, one for all the sound related strings like dialogues and voiceovers, and we have one grid for the rest of the UI text in the game. You can also see the yellow grids. These are reference grids, so these are things that you edit in here. So if you want to add a new character in the game, you will add it here. New missions are added here, and if you have different releases, they should be added here. So these are all referenced inside these other two. So if we open this dialogues, you will have three different views up here in the view browser. So localization manager view is simply an unfiltered view where you have a lot of information and a lot of things to set. You do have the localization manager to do, and what this is basically filtered on is if the narrative state and the legal state is not set to approved, or if the master, aka the thing that the writer writes, is not set. So obviously this is an good example of a test line that is not set correctly because it's missing its master thing. And obviously you could also see all the languages and which ones that are finished or not. For extra help with the languages, there is another one called languages to do, which basically only filters on the languages that are not fully translated yet. You could also see that thing by using the translation overview that I showed in the general video. And of course, you can use the import export functions. Please have a look at the video that I did.